Hello, my name is Mike. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create grades, grade steps, and grade ladders. I'm signed in as an HR specialist. Our company is growing and we need to add new technicians at different grade levels. I need to set up 3 new grades for technicians with 4 steps for each grade. I've already created the first 2 of my 3 new grades. I just need to create the last one. I'll enter a start date of January 1st, 2010 so that the grade can be used with any grade ladder created on or after that date. I'll select the common grade set so that it'll be available to multiple business units. I'll enter an intuitive name and code so that they're both easily recognizable to use later. The grade information looks good. Now I'll add the 4 steps, making sure that the highest step number is marked as the ceiling step for this grade. I'll skip the grade rates section since I'll be adding step rates when I create my grade ladder. All 3 of the new grades and their steps are set up, so now I'll create the grade ladder I want to add them to. If I was adding these new grades to an existing grade ladder, I could search for that grade ladder using any of these fields, but in this case, I'm going to create a new one. My new grades were effective January 1st, 2010, so I'll use the same effective date for my grade ladder. I'll need to select my grade set again, just like I did in the grade. I'll enter an intuitive name that'll make it easy to connect with the grades I'm adding to it. Because my grades have steps, I'll set my progression increment to grade and step so I can add those grades to my ladder. I'm also going to set include salary updates to yes, so the salaries will automatically populate when the grade or step changes. I'll search for and add each of the grades I just created. Since I set the progression increment to grade and step, only grades with steps are listed. I'll also make sure as I add them that I'm entering the correct sequence number for each grade, with the lowest grade as the lowest sequence number in the ladder. Now that the grades are added to the ladder, I'll enter rate values for each of the steps within the grades. I can also add progression rules for the ladder or for each of the individual grades, but since we manually move our workers and don't use the grade step progression batch process, I'm not going to add any progression rules. Once everything is entered and looks correct, I can save and close. Now we can start hiring the technicians we need. This concludes the Creating Grades, Steps, and Ladders tutorial. Thank you.